All right, so finally today we have the charger for the PlayStation 5 controllers. I'm going to show you that right now. How are you doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab.com. All right, so let's check it out. This, I like the design. It's like really like a mini and PlayStation look like. And like always, the instructions how to use it, but we see that's a pretty simple device. Power cord and power supply 110 to 45 volts. You know, remind me, you know what it reminds me when I get this? My PSP PlayStation Portable. That's what it reminds me. It's funny. And this one is the charger. Simple device. And it has a switch in. It's a protection, so in case it will not drop any metal, it will not short anywhere. It's 5 volts, but you don't want to short anything, right? So if you look here, the weight, and you hear a click to the weight, and we'll bring that down. So pretty simple. You just plug this up. So we have the charger right there. Let's put it there, and let's get the controller. And the controller, you need to drop it straight down. So you drop it straight down and it's charging, and your controller will start showing like a yellow color because it requires charger. When it's green, it's done. And like this, and okay, so guys can have an idea what these things look like. Nice design, real nice and simple, right? So next to the PlayStation, I think it will look real cool. You got the PlayStation here, and you put the charger. What you got then? So you got to make sure, guys, you drop it all the way straight down, and that's it. All right, so guys, what do you think? I love it. I love the design. I think it's a perfect. The charger. Just to remind you one thing, we're gonna have the Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, PlayStation console, and the PlayStation Digital, and much more. All the devices will be all available here for review, guys. We'll have be able to see all those videos. And mediaboxentlab.com. See you next time. Bye.